Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be just a fun kind of chit chat, really just casual type tutorial. I did do this look today, so this is definitely out of the norm for me. It's very bold, very blue, very grungy. No, I don't know. I don't know if it's like the band tee that really motivated me to create this look, but I do like it. I think it's fun, it's cute. And let's be honest, I'm just excited that I'm able to wear makeup today because I have just been battling the most hellish skin rash, dry skin situation. I'm back to doing what I love today, which makes me very happy. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please continue watching. Do not leave, stick around. Don't forget to subscribe too if you guys are new. I would so appreciate the support. I would love it. It would just make my soul very happy. And without further ado, let's get into the video and let's do a little makeup and some chit chat. First of all, I just have to say how excited I am to have my hair appointment tomorrow because this hair needs assistance. It needs help. As you can see, I already did the brows and I did prime the face. I used the Tatcha Skin Primer, which I've been loving lately. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but it is really, really good and it lasts a long time. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, these lips. Can we assess how dry they are? Put on lip balm, I do lip masks, I mean, you name it, and these things are just, they're pissed. So let's just get that out of the way and just move on, okay? I'm gonna go for kind of a grungy type vibe. I haven't done that in a really long time, and I just wanted to do something different. Today I'm using the Born This Way foundation, and this is the color Sand. It is by Too Faced. I'm obsessed. I love it. It makes my skin look amazing. Therefore, I use it. So I just filmed my first Halloween tutorial of the season, and I did post that video. So if you did not check it out, then I will put it on the screen and you guys need to watch it. I had so much fun, and it just reminds me how much I love this time of year and just playing with makeup. Just doing crazy Halloween looks and being really creative. I love kind of using my creative juices and doing fun stuff. I actually, surprisingly, I'm not doing anything for Halloween this year, like as far as like adult parties, but we are gonna be hanging out with the kids, so that will be fun. We are gonna do a little bit of trick-or-treating. I'm gonna prime the lids with my Mercier concealer. This is in the shade 2W. As far as buying candy, like this year we were super ahead of the game and got one of those like $15 bags at Costco, and we were like, we're gonna be good this year. We're gonna have a bag ready. We've officially, I think, almost finished the entire bag. People come over and they're like, do you have something sweet? I'm like, yeah, just have a piece of candy, you know? The bag's pretty much almost gone. So I'm using the Perception palette. I've used this palette plenty of times, but for this grungy kind of look, I thought this would be a good color palette to use. So I'm just picking up a Morphe brush, an M433, and I'm just gonna start kind of creating this look. Now I am going to just kind of go silent. I'm not gonna chat too much while I do the eyes, and then we will continue on with this nice little chit chat. Decay, so I think we all need to appreciate that I used a blue shade that is not like me. So I'm just gonna buff out that crease again using the brush I used earlier and just kind of try to fuse those shades together, make it look a little bit more seamless. So I'm gonna deepen up the crease just a touch more, add a little bit more of the deeper brown shade, just to kind of make it blend a little bit better. So that took just a smidge more patience because that is such a rich brown, but when in doubt, just blend it out, people. Let's add a little concealer to the under eye area. I'm using the same concealer I used for the lids, the Mercier Flawless Fusion. And my eyes are still a little bit struggling from my recent like skin issues. Like I've been getting the weirdest rashes, so I got rid of a ton of my makeup and I'm just trying to figure out what could have caused it, and it's still a mystery. This is always one of my favorite parts of the process, is just the concealer just looking normal again, you know. I think the delivery guy is here. I don't know if it's my husband or myself that has the bigger Amazon obsession, but it's a close tie. I'm gonna use some of my Mercier powder just to do a little bit of setting. Not gonna put too much because I don't want that eye to look any drier than it already does. I have been back into my love of blogging and writing, so I have been doing that. I will put my blog website on the screen, so if you guys don't follow me, you guys should check out my blog. So I post everything from, you know, being a mom and just stuff women go through, a lot of fashion, makeup, beauty, all of the things that I love and truly am passionate about. So I'm excited to be back blogging and doing that. So if you guys haven't checked it out, then you guys should. I'm just gonna line the lower lash line with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil, and this is in the shade Perversion. Weather here in Idaho has actually been pretty gorgeous, which is really exciting. Usually kind of around this time of the year is when snow starts creeping in, but we have had a pretty sunny fall, which has been really nice. Me and the fam actually went to the pumpkin patch recently, which that was quite the trek. It was so incredibly busy and the traffic was literally backed up for miles just to get to these like harvest party kind of different farms that had pumpkin patches and all these, you know, fun activities for the kids. But it was like one of those things that you're like, well, we're here now, we have to go. But it was so busy that all we wanted to do was just get the hell out of there. Today I'm excited because I'm using a new palette that I picked up, and this is the new Hourglass palette. I had to buy this when I saw it. It's kind of one of those brands that is on the pricier side, but they are vegan, cruelty-free, all of those things that I love in makeup. And they're kind of one of those things that, like, when you do splurge on makeup, you want to invest in this brand because it's so good. You have a bronzer. These two are going to be like setting powders. You have two blushes and then a highlighter, and I've been just obsessed lately with this. Kind of get a good, more controlled contour on the cheeks. I get a fatter brush just for my forehead area. This is a Japanesque brush. It is very fluffy, and oh, I'm starting to get excited for the holidays and Christmas, and this time of year is always fun because it's my birthday month of December. My son's birthday is in December now, So it is busy, but it's also kind of a fun time of year as well. My husband would probably disagree because it's probably the most expensive month for him. I think I'm gonna try this blush out actually, this one right here. It's a very, very pretty kind of subtle peachy rose shade. I've also been kind of playing with the idea of going to just a different town for Thanksgiving and doing something a little bit different. You know, Thanksgiving at our house the last few years, which is great, and we like love being home, but we're just kind of like, you know, the winter's long, like let's get out of town, let's do something different. So I'm excited about that. I'm hoping that we do something in kind of a ski resort type of town, because I think that would be like super cool and fun. I'm going to apply a little bit of the highlighter with this Morphe brush. It's an M501, just to the high points. Snatch this nose. I'm gonna curl these lashes. All right, I'm gonna set the face before I apply any sort of mascara. I used the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This stuff is so good. I love the mist on it. It's just super fine and just locks everything in. I'm excited because I just purchased this little duo, Lash Paradise, which I love. If you guys watch my channel, I love this stuff. Also sold in a pack with a primer. So I just tried this the other day for the first time, and it's supposedly supposed to be like super good for your lashes and keep them like, I don't know, like in good condition. But you basically apply this to the lashes before the mascara, and I have been loving it. Keeps my lashes healthy and makes them look more full. It does look a little weird though when you put it on. I do like love this mascara though. It makes my lashes just rise to the heavens, if you know what I mean. What do we think, you guys? How do they look? How do they look? They look pretty phenomenal, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna go into that Hourglass palette again, and I'm gonna pick up this darker shade because I need something. Yes, yes. Other news, while my glue is drying on my lashes, I have been kind of contemplating doing more videos of meal preps, because like, let's be honest, once like fall hits, I'm kind of like, oh, I think just because the cold weather comes and I automatically, like, I swear my appetite just skyrockets. What do you guys think? Would you like to see videos like that? Trying to get a feel of like what, you know, my viewers would want to see. Me personally, I love to get ideas for meal prep, and so I do have a lot of good yummy recipes that I love, so I would love to share those with you guys. So let me know. Let me know if that's something that you guys would want to see. Lashes are obviously going to be Ardell Wispies because they just never fail me, you know? I hate though that before the glue dries, it just looks like a white blotchy mess. So if you guys see that, it does dry and it goes away, but still, I don't like it. Best advice too, people ask me all the time, how do you put lashes on? I always look down in the mirror, and then you want to place the lash, like if you're holding it, like place it down. You don't want to place it like forward. And also so it like bumps up right against the lash line. All right, you guys, I zoomed you out. I'm gonna finish off this look with some lips, and obviously I'm gonna do a nude lip because I feel like with a super bold eye, a nude lip is always like, I'm gonna use my Cork lip liner by MAC and just line the lips. I look just like a straight cholo right now. Peach Stock Lipstick by MAC. This is a gorgeous nude shade. I love it. It has kind of like a little bit of a peachy undertone. Over the top, I'm adding this gloss by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop, and it is called Moonchild, and it is a beautiful nude glossy gold flex situation. All right, there you have it, you guys. This is the completed look. This is way more bold than I usually do, but I do love it. It is very cute, and it goes with my shirt, right? Right? Cute. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. I would love the support, love the appreciation. I just would love it all. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new and, you know, support me, become a part of the channel, watch my new videos each week that I post, get notified, click that bell so that you are notified.